we were having a problem with our printer, which every page had this gnarly little line on it, as you can see. Oftentimes an issue with the drum. So from there, I went ahead and opened this front panel like so. When I go ahead and switch the main power off, or you can unplug the unit, and then I release valve, open this flap to locate the drums, and then from there, where the ink goes, and these are the drums down here. So it's a yellow line, so I'm gonna open. Now, one thing you can do supposedly is clean it with this device going back and forth, but that didn't do it for me. So what I ended up having to do is open it up. And one of the things that was a dead giveaway that this was in fact a problem with the drum, as you can see, there is a line, right? Right there. So that's the culprit right there. So what I did is, to just test it, is I put in one of the other drums from one of the other things to see if the yellow line went away, and it did. And so now I'm putting this replacement one in. Okay, so now let's do a test print, because obviously if you replace the drum and the line goes away, then that is the issue. So I'm going ahead and copy this test print, and before this would produce a yellow line on the page, but let's go ahead and look at this piece of paper, and as you will see, the yellow line has vanished, meaning that we eradicated the problem. So if you find this video in any way helpful, please like and share and subscribe for more content. From one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing off.